making connections from the boiler room to the boardroom. Deep renovation is a complex process, it's a long value chain here. The decision-making involves a series of stakeholders from property owners to building designers to bankers. To implement successfully the ambitious EU targets on climate change, we need the involvement of the entire chain, from legislative level, where objectives are set, to the implementation on field by qualified professionals. Nobody can trigger the deep renovation process alone. We need to engage property owners, decision makers in the deep renovation. ALDREN indicators and outcomes were designed to facilitate the communication between the key market players. They were designed to link the energy, the IEQ, indoor environmental quality of buildings, to financial indicators as cost, risk, value, and they were designed to reduce risk for finance providers by resumed information. We need to make these benefits, these additional benefits, explicit. This is a very delicate process. We had to identify within the ALDREN project the proper interaction zone between the various professionals involved, building expertise designers and building asset valuers. The proper definition of this interface is fundamental, because a common language is to get the two stakeholders closer around this interface. And this is what we try to do and provide within ALDREN.